Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Audeze Maxwell. You have to start by open application, then click on three lines at the top, settings. Now click on factory reset, yes. Now go to settings, connected devices or Bluetooth. Now click on settings icon near to your headphones or information icon if you have iOS. Then forget device. Cool. Now click on pair new device and press 2 times on power button. Then click to your headphones, pair. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!